Hi guys! Isi-share ko naman yung recipe ko ngayon. Bibingka with salted eggs. So, ingredients is 6 eggs, 3/4 cup of coconut milk, sugar, baking powder, 1 cup of coconut flour, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and for the toppings, salted egg and cheese. Dito ko siya ilalagay. May dahon pa kasi ako. Mix niyo muna coconut, flour, and baking powder. Hindi ko na nilalagyan ng salt kasi yung egg later is salted na yan. So, na-mix na ang egg, butter, and sugar. Next naman, ilagay natin yung coconut milk. So, na-mix na yung coconut milk. Add na natin yung dry ingredients. And then, mix lang ulit natin and low speed. So, ito na guys yung mixture niya. So, ready na ilipat doon sa elanera natin. Tapos, i-bake lang. So, i-bake ko lang siya ng 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, kunin ko. Tapos, doon ko pa ilalagay yung salted egg at saka cheese. For another 3 minutes only. Total and 23 minutes. So, ito na po ang looks niya. So, I made a twist of this. Add ko lang ng parmesan cheese. Ay na, masarap ang parmesan cheese. Tapos, yung isa namang cheese mamaya. Balik ko naman sa oven for mga 30 seconds lang. So, tada! After 30 seconds, ito na po siya. Nag-melt na yung parmesan cheese. So, yung ilalagay ko naman yung isang cheese.